Hi everyone, welcome to Life with Makajeni. I am Umakajeni. On this channel, we're unpacking all the trending topics, and today's topic is about King Misuzulu, the Zulu King, guys. King Misuzulu, there's a voice note that is making rounds, or voice recording that is making rounds on social media of a conversation between him and his sister, guys. There, King shows that he was recorded unknowingly, because the things that he is saying there, I don't think someone can say those words to his sister if we are record one. And I, for one, I believe that the sister just provoked the king so that the king can say these harmful words, and we know that also trend obviously he is the king, and he's one of the king that is not loved, even though I love him, but one of the king that is not loved. I love and respect to King Misuzulu. Guys, let's just play the voice note, then I'll come back with my commentary.
I'm going to lock you up. I'm going to make you look. I will show you to the nation. Hey, don't even try. You'll be my fucking laundry. Okay? I'm on tomorrow. Not yesterday, tomorrow. Yeah. I'm a bitch.
I'm forward to.
I'm not your brother. I'm not your brother.
Whatever you.
Hey, fuck you. Get out. Get out of my sitting room.
I'm not going
Get
to.
out of my sitting room. You guys fucking stop. Get out of my sitting room. Nunkos, get out. Nunkos, get out. Get out. You're not gonna come. You come there. I'm gonna put a fucking restraining order against you. No business.
For what?
We'll talk to my girl. You rubbish. I don't know. I don't wish to know. Fuck you. Get out. Get out. I said, and you know what? No people born. Yes, that's a new born. I'm finally that's a new born. Boom.
You know that is false. You know that is false.
That is King Misuzulu Bazala Bakamzito with his sister, guys. You could see even, sorry guys, you could hear even the way sister Akulmanga Kona that no man, this sister is planning something, because there's no way someone will tell you that you are no longer my sister. Then when you respond politely and say, we as logo axigo, which means you know that thing, you are lying to yourself, we are our siblings. There's no way, guys. And you could see the way the king is talking is that there's some ways that they were said to him that they are not right. They provoked him, and there's no way would have a figure and talk whatever you wanna talk and expect that person would say mara comment politely. Anyway, we figure on his personal space, guys. And guys, the allegations that they were talking about in the land that it was given to Ubababo. So there's talks about that land, who must take it, to whom must that land belong to, guys. I'll tell you the reasons why I say I love King Misuzulu, guys. One thing about King Misuzulu, ngeke speech like akhuluma about closing the taverns. And I started following him then, guys. Yes, I'm Zulu, but I started following him then. The way back, you could see this guy is smart. This guy from other kings, and this guy has the best interest. He is thinking, and another thing that is very important. He's the only king that is not marrying abantwana abancane. Abafazi baka King Misuzulu, they're old enough to be amakhosikazi wakhe. Akanayo inkosikazi ona 18. And akanayo inkosikazi ona 20 whom ubuya efamily engekho right. Uthatha abantu aba-right who are matured enough to be amakhosikazi wakhe. I remember there's this time he was training, even though I didn't follow the story, but I remember that time he was training, people, they were accusing him of why is he dating Usihle. Guys, I didn't say anything wrong even then. Just because Usihle unengane, that doesn't mean that king must not fall in love with someone unengane. Maybe they may say as if she's too so, because but him dating abantu abadala who can make their own decisions, I think ngimthandela nje logo. But please do comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Ngithanda ukuya nokubuya.